Well, hello there, my dear friends. Welcome back to the Scott Reed Project on this miserable Sunday, wet and windy morning. It's actually Halloween today. I'd like to say that my gaff was all dressed up for Halloween, but this is how I lived with all these stuffed creatures about the place. Yeah. Anywho, what I want to do today then is quickly show you my new book. This is number 4 in the SRP series. Number 1 I did venison, 2 I did feathered game, 3 I did pig, and this one is rabbit and hare. So the first book we did will never be reprinted. So what I decided to do was do another version, and here it is. This is ready to be posted in the next couple of days. So I just want to give you a quick sneak preview of what we've got. Some ugly dude there. Let me bring the camera down a bit, pull that in. So I'll just give you a rough idea. Absolutely amazing photography in this one. A little bit about dear old Bunnykins and the hare. Some great pics. Always important, I think, to have the anatomical skeleton. So when you're boning out, if you can learn the names, obviously the proper names, like thigh bone is femur and all that, it really helps. Tools for the job. Now it's got a massive butchery section, because the original book I think had about 16 pages of butchery. Nowhere near enough, to be honest with you, but this is more detailed. It's basically the ultimate rabbit butchery book, rabbit and hare. So plenty of pictures, plenty of narration. Then taking all those subprimals and deboning them, always a handy skill, especially if you want to do curries, stews, things like that. Then we're on to the hare, very similar. But the beauty of the hare is, because it's hung with its viscera in, its insides, I can show you a proper evisceration. Same principle for rabbit, but we get to have a look at all the gory details. Have a look at the offal. So yeah, a cracking butchery section, and then on to some wonderful recipes. And that, my friends, is my latest book. I will put a link of where you can buy this in the description. So yeah, make a great Christmas present. But there it is. SRP Volume 4, back in the game.